Offer payment. What is offered to the customer? The DRE system microgenerator with a mix of complementary components plus equipment plus a mix of running services that could be included. The provider retains the ownership of both the DRE system and equipment or other lifecycle services on a turnkey basis. How the DRE system could be configured? As a distributed DRE system that can work off-grid or connected to the local mini-grid to share the energy surplus, or as a decentralized DRE system where the customer could recharge equipment from a decentralized charging point or to the local mini-grid. What the customer pays? The customer pays a fixed cost as a pay-per-use, so customer pays as a single-use unit of satisfaction, or a pay-per-period, the cost is daily, weekly, monthly, yearly fixed, or as a pay-per-time access of energy. The cost is fixed per minute second of access to energy. This avoids initial investment costs and unexpected costs.